Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add reminders in your Google Sheets so that you don't forget your tasks. So here I've already opened the Google Sheets. So if you want to add a reminder, you need to first add the reminder extension. So first go to the extension in here, go to add-ons and click on the get add-ons. So in here you'll be directed to the Google Workspace Marketplace. So here just find the reminder apps. Okay, this one, add reminders. Okay, so in here you'll find there are lots of options, but just add the first one in here. Click on this and install it to your Google Sheets. Okay, click on continue, choose your email account. Okay, you need to first allow the permissions, click on allow. Now click on done. Okay, let's go back to the Google Sheets. You can see here now there will be these panels right here. So if you want to add the reminder, just click on add a new reminder. Here you can uh choose the deadline column. You can set the reminders for 1 hours before or maybe 2 hours before. That's up to you. And after that, notify me, then click on done. So the reminders will be added, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.